Hello there, beautiful. Nikki here from Crazy Simple Truth, and I'm so glad you're here. Hey, today we're going to do something artistic. And do you love my washi tape Band-Aid? Yes, I do too. Okay, so if you saw the video where I did this, I used some transparent sticker paper. These are in my Etsy print shop. They're $1.50, I think, for the whole sheet. And what they are is I hand wrote them with gel pens, scanned them into my computer, and then made them available for you. If you are one of my tip sisters, you can get this free on my Patreon, and you get tons of stuff free there. So you're going to want to go check that out if you haven't yet. So what I did here was use that. Beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I scanned in some of my artwork from my Bible. So this is Matthew 28:19. This is my mess of a Bible. Okay, so I drew this one day. I think I got part of the idea off of Pinterest, but I made up a majority of it too. And so I used gel pens that I've kind of blended with. So I scanned this into my computer so that you could have a copy of it too, which I think is really cool. It's not like my best artwork ever, but I really like it. And so I thought, you know what, instead of redoing it, I'm just going to let you do it that way if you want to. So you're going to want to use the transparent paper. See how it's going to look so pretty and watercolory. And then I'll show you the paper that I bought was such a good deal. Okay, such a good deal. So you don't have to buy like the Avery and the whatever they are paper. This is from a label company. So you can buy this. See how it says compatible with both laser and inkjet printers? So normally they're about $1 a sheet if you get them from one of the printer companies. But these, I got 25 sheets. They are tear resistant. They are waterproof. 25, yeah, I got 25, where does it say? 25. I got 25 clear full sheet labels, okay? They're called Mr. Label. They're clear labels, full sheet, model code MR500. They're from Amazon. And so I got way more than I would have gotten if I would have bought the ones that are made for your printer. They're very thick. I thought they weren't going to go through, but you can, I have an HP printer, just a, it's nothing fancy. And it says you can choose the kind of paper, and I chose high gloss specialty paper, and it printed beautifully on here. It was dried immediately. They're very, very thick and durable, and I am very impressed with this company with their labels. So this is the way to go. Don't buy the kind that you get in the cute little cardboard package with 10 in there and they're $12, because that really does work and it really was a good deal. So we're going to get out my prayer journal. This is a Bible that I do not use as a Bible. I use it as a prayer journal. Matthew, Mark, where am I at? Matthew, first one. Matthew 28:19. So I do cover the words in here. If you haven't heard me say that before, I do. It took me a long time to feel comfortable with that, but I'm comfortable with it now because it is a prayer journal. Matthew 28. There it is. So I'm going to take this sticker and I'm going to cover this whole page. It just about does. I might have to trim off the bottom here to make sure that it doesn't bleed off. I can't remember if I enlarged this when I printed it or not. I think I did, but okay, see how it looks like it's going to cover the whole thing, but let's see how this works. Now, it's probably not very forgiving at picking it back up, so I'm going to want to make sure I have it just where I want it, which I think is going to be right there. Oh, it's so cool. This is why I wanted transparent sticker paper. Look at how neat that is. Isn't that cool? So you can get that free on my Tip Sisters, among so many other things that you can get free. Now, you can't see the and make disciples very well, but I don't mind. I just think that's really cool. It's really, really thick. And so what I'll end up doing is maybe just writing a small prayer right there, because it is a prayer journal. And I'll probably just write God, please help me go out into the world, or have the courage to go and make disciples. And so I'll probably just write that in there with one of my metallic gold pens. But there it is. Ta-da! Now you can do it that easily. I will tell you that it did have lines in it. Excuse me. because I made it in one of my journaling Bibles, the sticker itself has lines through it. That you can see this too, but the sticker itself has lines through it. But that's okay. So, you know, if you want it just to look at, to like be able to make your own, or you could print it off on just regular typing paper and you could trace it really dark and then put it under your Bible and make your own. You could shrink it down and trace it and make your own. Or if you wanted to use my little rough cut one here, then you could print it on any kind of paper and glue it wherever you wanted it. So there it is. Ta-da! I think it's really cool, and I love this paper. And let me tell you, I just ordered this too. See, I can count these as a business expense now that I'm making a little bit of money on Etsy, because these are for advertisements. So I'm using them to advertise my sticker kits, and which is really awesome that I am making a little bit of extra money that I can do that with, and God will keep blessing me. So I do not know if this will work in the printer yet. I got this today, different company, but they're label sheets, okay? So they're 8.5 by 11, 100 sheets I got for like $11. 100 sheets of sticker paper. And I don't know why they wouldn't work. There's absolutely no reason why they wouldn't work. Here's what they're scored too. Sweet. They are scored. Okay, but here's what they're going to look like. It's just a regular sheet of white sticker paper, just like you would buy of the Avery brand or whatever brand it is that you use. And you get tons more for the price. And they feel like they're really good quality, so I cannot wait about that. So I just wanted to give you that little top secret tip about printer paper. There you go. So I will see you later. Let me know if you make this. If you're one of my tip sisters, let me know that you printed it off for free. If you go to my Etsy shop, it's only $1.50. Let me know if you do something with it. You don't have to use like my actual sticker. You could trace it like I said, or you could just use the idea and draw it yourself. Whatever you do, let me know in the comments below if you use this, because I'd love to know. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye.